For the past 9 years, the Big Bend roller coaster has been one of the most exciting and popular rides here at Six Flags.
The Big Bend was a big steel roller coaster. It was the biggest coaster we had in the park at the time. It was a different kind of coaster because it had a power rail on the lifts, so there was no chain drive to take you up to the top to drop you off. The motors for the trains were actually in the cars.
Smooth, fast, the acceleration of the ride. It had spirals out on the ride.
Today is the last day at Six Flags over Texas for you to get on the Big Bend roller coaster. It's the last of the regular season, and this is the last time the roller coaster is going to be run.
Ultimately, it was removed because the ride capacity had changed. It was the first thing you saw when you came in, it was the last thing you saw when you left, and it just didn't have the ride capacity we needed anymore.
Working on the ride was, it was all about throughput, about capacity, and getting people on the ride and off the ride as quickly as possible. Because it was so popular, the line was monstrous, and we learned a lot of things about lines with that ride.
Are you going to miss it?
Yes.